y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this very simple bridal makeup look. It's on this pretty muse that we have right here. Her name is Grace, and I created this look because I wanted to go outside the box, go outside something that I've been doing on here on my YouTube channel. So if you would like to see how I achieved this very simple but glam bridal makeup look, please keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, guys, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So first, I'm prepping her skin with this Bobbi Brown face base. And guys, I did not show most of the products that I use for this video. I don't know why, but this is just going to be a get ready with me, so just stick around and watch. Now I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal True Match, and I'm applying it with the Black Up flat brush, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then next, I'm going to go on and blend it all into her skin using a damp beauty blender, guys. This is so important. This is something that I've been doing a lot lately, just so that the foundation can go into the skin and everything is all blended out and it feels like skin. And I'm going in with concealer, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm using a very light amount of concealer to do this step. I'm going to leave all the details of the products that I used on her skin for this video. I'm going to leave everything in the description box so that you guys can see. And I'm also using the same damp beauty blender to blend it all out. I'm applying it in all the areas I would normally highlight as well. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm using the flat brush to contour her nose. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to go in with this foundation. It's a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 365, and I'm going to apply this as a contour shade. I decided to use foundation. It's something that I do sometimes because I wanted to keep the skin fresh and not cakey or not too thick with concealer or product, right? So now I'm going to set her face. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I'm just applying this on the areas that I would normally set. Now I'm going in with the brow products that I'm using is the Mabruk pencil. That's what I'm using for her brows, and I'm just going to fill out her brows. And then so now I'm going to go on and contour her face, and I'm setting the contoured area with a dark powder, something that I would normally use to probably contour. Yes, that's what I'm doing now. I'm using a contour brush to do this step. Yeah, so I'm going in and I'm cleaning out her brows now, and I'm going to clean it out using concealer. I'm mixing the concealer with the foundation that I use, the L'Oreal True Match foundation, because I want it to look as natural as possible, guys. Now I'm just applying the concealer all over her lid, and I'm setting it with a translucent powder. I'm using this Real Techniques brush to set the whole area. Now let's dive into the skin. Now I'm just brushing out the powder, and then I'm applying her powder shade all over her face, and then I'm going in with the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze, and I'm just applying it in the cheekbone area. And then I'm going to go on and apply powder under her eyes because I'm trying to prevent fallouts. We're going to be using some shimmery colors, and I don't want it to be falling out on her face, right? We don't want that. So now I'm going in with this orangey color, and this will be the transition color, and I'm just intensifying that shade and also making sure that it's as light as possible. I'm taking it to the outer V area as well. Now I'm going to apply, so what I have applied on her lid for primer is the NYX Milk pencil, and I'm setting it with this light orangey eyeshadow color. You can use any color that you want. Now I'm going on and lining her. I'm applying liner, and I'm using the Ingloss gel liner in number 77. Now I'm going in with highlights, and I'm using the Evita Joseph brush to apply the highlights on her cheeks. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. Now I'm going to go on and apply this liner in her waterline as well. We are not taking it down, we're just leaving it in the waterline area. It just makes for a very, baby look. Now I'm going in to set her brow area, and I'm using this clear brow gel to set her brow area. Guys, you guys can see her eyes. They're looking so pretty. This is just the ideal bridal makeup. Now I've applied lashes off camera, and I'm going over the lashes and I'm applying the liner so that it looks really nice. I'm going in to perfect all the highlights that I applied before, make it all look pretty and pretty nice. Moving over to lips, I'm going in with this light brown lip pencil from Zaron, and then I'm going to just apply this in her lip line area, and I'm going in with this lipstick from Teos Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply it all over her lips. Guys, I'm going to show you the process of this particular step because I actually I don't know why I enjoy just like creating lip shades and lip colors. I'm going to go in with this Zaron lip pencil, and this is after I blend the initial shade that I applied. I'm going to go in with this Zaron lipstick. It's like a nudish shade, and I'm going to just tap that in the center of her lips to basically make the color pop a little bit more, because it looks like her lips are drowned, so I want it to just pop out a bit. And yeah, I'll continue with this process till I achieve what I want, and you guys are going to see it is pretty. So guys, I'm going to spray her face with setting spray to get the makeup in place, get everything in place, and this is what her face looks like after everything. Like, it is so pretty. Her smile is beautiful. She's such a pretty girl. She's so beautiful. Like, Ebony is just key, man. Anyways, so this is it for this look. See how glowy and simple and easy she looks. This makeup will last all freaking day. There's nothing you do on her face that will make it shift or move, I promise you. Anyways, this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, share with your friends, family, enemies. No, just share with your friends and family. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, share. I've repeated that before. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.